where to begin? Hello! And Merry Christmas, if Christmas is your thing. If not, that's okay. Whatever holiday thing you celebrate, fine with me. Today, on this Christmas Day, I'll be honest with you, this is for the second time. The first time, the battery in my microphone stopped working. So, today I am going to fix this floor lamp, as it does not light up. Obviously, I know why it doesn't light up, because I've done this before. This is the second time I'm doing it. But for your benefit, I'm going to do it again. Right, let's point this down a bit. What about there? Like that. This is the metal base of the floor lamp that screws onto the bottom. It has a very badly attached earth connector right here. So, in the bottom of said lamp, and in here, there should be, steady now, or there was, one of these. A transformer. 240 in, 12 out. It's a 12 volt. It's a GU 5.3 or MR16. Something like that. Anyway, it's a 12 volt little small bulbs. I could just show you if I could. Those ones. That bulb. The one with the two prongs. And the small bulb. According to the meter, this was outputting 15 volts, but nothing lit up, so I'm going to assume there was no current to go with it. It's got mains in, that's the output, and that's for a switch for up the top of the lamp, but I'm not going to be bothering with any of that. That's dead. I might open it later. I'm going to replace it with an LED driver. Mains in, 12 volts out. Those bulbs are AC 12 volts, so it doesn't matter if it's getting a DC input. And we'll just wire this straight back into the power in here, because it's got a floor switch for turning it on and off. So we don't need the R switch. We'll just wire it straight in and connect that output straight up to the LED. Right. Back you go, lamp, back you go. Ah, 'tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Where's my screwdrivers? Right. Mains in. Output to lamp. So this shouldn't take long. Let's open this up first and see where... Are any of you Phillips screwdrivers? Yet. Nah, there's one. La 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 la. So unusually this Christmas it's not snowing. It's actually about 10 degrees. Oh, okay, outside. Feels colder than that in here certainly. Oh, I wish it could be so easier to do this. Okay, so let's get our mains. Oh, you should have seen how badly that just pulled off of there. I'm going to have to take the plastic off. I'll try my best to solder it back on, but it's not essential. I know it's a big metal plate, but it's also the base. It's not like it's getting handled, while, especially with the lamps on. Right, let's take them out of there. And you know what? Let's just chop that block right off. There. That leaves the earth in there. What about later? Very small. I've got a screwdriver that small. Does that fit? It does. Alive and alive. Does that fit as a bundle of wire? Hell no. So let's trim some of that off. Might as well do the other one here. Okay, I've got a live in. I've also just noticed that whoever screwed it the first time screwed it straight into the insulation on the wire. Great. Great job, guys. Great job. Okay. Let's do a better job of putting the... I don't want any loose strands poking out. Do not like them. I wonder. Straighten up and fly right. Much easier if it's under the earth, but hey, come this far. Okay, live and neutral are in. Nice and tight. If I can get the screwdriver in the screw. Come on now. They're in. Put the cable grip back on. Stay, stay. So, what's everybody doing for Christmas? I'll be having a traditional Scottish Christmas where we get up and we eat haggis and drink whiskey. Really? Do you? No, don't be silly. We fucking stay in bed till this afternoon and get up and eat lots of junk food and open presents. And I don't like Christmas, I'll be honest with you. I couldn't care less. It's far, far too commercialised these days. Do not give a rat's ass about Christmas. Christmas is for small people. By small people, I mean children, not midgets. Sorry if there's any midgets watching my channel, but you knew what I meant. Or fairies. Fairies are small people. Fairies are also not real. I digress. Christmas is for children. It's not for adults. It's for adults to buy things for children. Right. I'm going to do away with that connector block as well. I didn't make sure these ones unscrewed. Come on now. Right. Where wires go? One in there. Like I say, it's an AC bulb. It doesn't matter which way round you put the wires. Hence they're both the same colour. Come here. Again. Right, that's in there, that's in there. Keep dropping losing screwdrivers. The cable grip back over the cables. Alright, I'm going to remove this superfluous connector strip here. So what this one did, it went up to a switch at the top, but the switch at the top doesn't work anyway, and I've bypassed it. I've just jumpered it out with a bit of wire. So we'll just take this out of here, like that. Twist these together and tape them up. Oh, you could use a bit of heat shrink tubing. I could actually use a bit of heat shrink tubing. There's a lighter in here somewhere. Bit of heat shrink. A bit of heat shrink. And a bit of lighter. Fine, poke them up in there. Poke this in the hole as well. Like that, that's probably about as good as the other one was. And let's do something with this horrendous fucking piece of... Right, fire up a soldering iron. And we'll just solder it back on here. I could probably just crimp it back on actually. Why not? Do both. Crimp and solder. That took far too long, and I think I've pulled the head off my soldering iron. Are fucked on my soldering iron. Ah, I like that soldering iron as well. Fucking thing. That was my favourite soldering iron. Right, okay, let's put the base back on. There are screws here somewhere. Oh, it's heavy. Fucking hell, it's heavy. Right. Rotate it around a bit. Oh, I'm so confident I'm not even testing it before I put it back together. That's confidence. Right, where's the wire? Is there a bit? Ah, there's a cutout. Hand belt, that explains a lot. Ta-da! Right, some quantity of screws. Oh, this base is really cold. Last screw in there, somewhere down the bottom. Right, appropriate screwdriver. Appropriate screwdriver with a ratchet screwdriver, but needs must. Hand built again for the second time. So David, what did you do today? Oh, I've rebuilt a lamp. Really? Yes. Does it work? Oh, who knows? We'll find out in a moment. It'll be as much a surprise for you as it is for me. I'm confident though, I mean. Right, base is on. Let's put this on the floor. Ooh. Stop it. Give me that bit though. Is any of this in shot? Let's put the heads down here somewhere. Here's the switch that doesn't work. That's supposed to switch. I might replace it at some point and wire it up so with a switch that works. Da 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 da! Yay! Oop! Such lamp. That doesn't do anything. Does the floor switch still work? Oh god. Hello. Look at that. Maybe notice a strange output in that when I turn on it. Starts off slowly and then gets brighter. Yeah. Anyway. See my breath. It works! Success! Oh, just out of curiosity, what's the power factor for that LED driver? Oh god, 0.32. Jesus wept. That's horrendous. It's probably a combination of both the LED. Oh, it's Philips, so it's probably got a good power factor. I should have tested that. I can't test it by itself. Anyway, and the LED driver will be horrendous because it'll probably just be a capacitive dropper. It doesn't matter just now. Our lamp works. So folks, I hope you have a nice Christmas, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, a nice day today or whatever, and I'll see you again in the new year. I might even tidy this stuff up for the new year. It's not likely though.